If you've been looking at VPNs for your Fire Stick and you're feeling overwhelmed because every single one claims to be the best, well, stick around because I'm going to make this a lot easier for you. And if you're ready to grab the best deal available on any of these VPNs that I recommend, then check out the links in the description below, or you can just simply scan the QR codes on screen. Now, here's the deal when it comes to Fire Stick. You want a VPN that gets 4 things right. And if it doesn't, it's just not worth it. First up is speed, because streaming on a slow VPN is painful. Nobody wants buffering, drop quality, or apps crashing halfway through an episode. Second is security, because what's the point of even having a VPN if your provider is logging your data or selling it off? Third is ease of use, because if you can't install it quickly and connect in one click, you're just going to leave it turned off. And the fourth one, which a lot of people overlook, is reliability. It doesn't matter how fast or secure a VPN is, if it constantly drops connections or struggles to work with your favorite apps. You want something you can trust to actually work every time you open it. So let's get into the VPNs that actually deliver. CyberGhost VPN is one of the most popular choices for Fire Stick users, and for good reason. It's got a massive server network, which means you'll almost always find a solid connection no matter where you are. The app is super beginner friendly, but still has some extra features tucked away if you like to customize things. What makes it stand out for Fire Stick is how well it works with streaming platforms. So you're not stuck with those annoying, not available in your region blocks. On top of that, they've been around long enough to build a good reputation, which gives you a peace of mind. And right now you can get 84% off plus 4 free months. Now, TotalVPN is another option I think more people should look at, especially if you're the type who doesn't care about endless customization and detailed features. It's lightweight, so it won't slow down your Fire Stick, and the setup is fast and painless. The whole point is simplicity, and sometimes it's exactly what you want. It's great for people who just want to turn it on, stay private, and keep streaming without thinking twice about it. It also tends to fly under the radar, so it's not overhyped, but quietly gets the job done. With the current promotion, you can grab it for 80% off, which is perfect if you just want something effective without overspending. Next up is NordVPN, and this one has been a big name in the VPN world for years now. It's got some of the fastest and most stable servers you'll find, which is great for streaming on Fire Stick. It also works seamlessly with the big streaming platforms, so you're not locked out of shows and movies based on where you live. They've built their whole reputation around being reliable, and the extras like dark web monitoring or advanced security settings make it even stronger. Plus, their app is polished and works consistently, which is nice when you're using it on multiple devices, not just your Fire Stick. Right now, you can get it for 74% off plus 3 free months. Surfshark VPN is another one I'd recommend, especially if you've got more devices to cover than just one Fire Stick, or you want to protect all the gadgets in your house without paying extra. You get unlimited connections with a single account, which most VPNs don't offer. And that's huge. It's fast, reliable, and comes with some handy extras like ad blocking and tracker protection that make your streaming experience smoother. Surfshark has built up a reputation for being one of the best value VPNs because it gives you premium features without premium pricing. The interface is also clean and easy to use, so even if you're not the most tech savvy, you'll figure it out quickly. And with the current deal, you're looking at 60% off plus 3 free months as well. And finally, we have NortonVPN, which comes from a brand you probably already know for its antivirus software. If you're already in the Norton ecosystem, this is a natural fit because it pairs well with their other security tools. Even if you're not, it's still a solid pick because of the trust that comes with the Norton name. The app is straightforward, so it's easy to get going on Fire Stick without messing around with it for too long. It's also nice if you prefer sticking with companies that have been around forever instead of taking chances on new names. Now, with the current promotion, you can grab it for up to $35 off. So here's the bottom line. Your Fire Stick VPN needs to keep streams smooth, keep your data private, be easy to set up, and most importantly, actually work every time you turn it on. The ones I just went through do exactly that. And right now you can lock them in for way less than usual. So check out the links in the description below or scan the QR codes on your screen to grab those deals while they are still around. Now, before I just wrap things up, I want to hear from you. Do you have a favorite VPN you recommend? Drop a comment down below because I'm really curious to see what you guys are going into for your VPNs.